Hi, my name is Jennifer Finn of Star Life Assurance Company Limited. I say Happy International Women's Day to all women around the globe. We celebrate your strength, resilience, and achievement to many. Keep being an inspiration. Thank you.
Happy International Women's Day from us from Hedges Consult Limited. This year, we are poised to give to gain. We are empowered to give of our best and to learn along the line so that our work becomes better for us. I hope you have a fabulous day.
Today, we rise together as women who lead, uplift, and transform the insurance industry. In a world built on protection, we create